Meantime, where is this offense going? Shacklock down to 6. Good swipe by Noruka. And then steal completed by Baila. Baila steps on the brakes. Emergency pass.
And that's always been the key for UP is their defense. They start on defense and that fuels their transition game.
Excellent move by Francis Noruka.
Check out this move. Francis Noruka. Post up, drop, step. Not much you can do there.
It's all about learning, non-stop learning, relearning as Noruka fires. And he beats the buzzer.
Everything going well for UP right now, both defensively and offensively.
What are you talking about? Cortea starts the second quarter with Noruka, who fires a 17-footer, and that's good. And they're joined by Stevens, Torres.
Maybe that's what they need to do.
That's one way to get Pasaol his looks. So, look at that. Very swift responses by UP after every FU basket. And Pasaol, no go. Pasaol got his own miss. Pasaol raised by Noruka. Baila, forward pass. Remogat for 2. Remogat over to Stevens. Stevens against Moncopa. That's a great matchup at the post.
That's a great matchup in the post.
But now his condition has been cleared. So they are now focused on building strength, power, and endurance, making sure he can move better, recover faster, and stay strong throughout the season. So this Courtside Report is brought to you by PDO.
Because he's in fantastic shape entering season 88. This Super Play of the Quarter is brought to you by Converge Super Fiber X.
And UP is now slowing down the game because they know they have the lead. And Noruka just follows his own miss there. They're applying pressure on the ball as they should.
Here's Remogat, picked up by Konate. Noruka, great pass to Gany Stevens.
Play safe.
Shacklock down to 7. Alarcon, lob pass, Noruka. Up short. UP will go on to win this game. This dunk of the game is brought to you by Dunkin'. Pasalubong ng bayan.
Like I said, play it safe or get a lob dunk. That works too. You want to put the game away? Ooh, got up there.